Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are well. So I am sharing today's vlog. We are heading into Luss. Now Luss is a small town, a very popular historic town in Scotland, in Loch Lomond. And would you believe we've been here for almost 3 years now, yet we've never visited this little town, yet we have driven everywhere pretty much in Scotland but not here. So we decided to take the kids out today for a drive. The sky was blue, which is a rarity, and we thought we would just have a quick sort of walk around. So you park the car park. They have a car park area here. It's just 50p, £1 for an hour, so it's not too dear. So we walked along here, this path here. You can't, go further, of course. There's just a little bit of a ridge. So we just walked around, and then walked into the town, the centre of town. Went past a few shops. Most of the shops were actually closed. There's only one shop opened. The houses are absolutely adorable. There's lots of history attached to these houses and homes that you can look and read. And here is the pier overlooking Loch Lomond. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's so serene, so peaceful. And we just walked around exploring. I think you just need a couple of hours here. After that we headed to Braehead, to Xsite. So this is a sort of arena, and you can find all sorts of games, arcades, shops as well, and lots of fun physical activities for the kids. So this was our first time here, and I thought it was fabulous. So we booked in a bowling session. So we actually booked in, I think the offer was £30 plus pizza for 1 hour, for 1 hour, that's it, sorry. I was trying to remember. So it's for 1 hour, and you just pay £30, and for all 5 of us. So that worked out quite good. So we were really sort of bowling quite quickly, and we squeezed in 1.5 games in to the bowling session that we'd booked. So as you can see, just before we actually checked in to do our bowling, we had a quick look around. So there's a cinema and all sorts of other things. And yes, it's Christmas time, in case you're wondering about the lights. And that was it. So a very quick and short and sweet video. Make sure you subscribe, and I look forward to sharing my next video. See you later. Bye.